AI in production is gaining constantly in importance. More and more systems are being enabled for making complex decisions independently. This is exactly what is happening here at düspohl. The mechanical engineering company is developing profile wrapping technologies, surface lamination and peripheral systems for the wood and plastic industries. The company's flagship right behind me is the world's first fully automated profile wrapping system, RoboWrap. Together with the Fraunhofer Institute for Mechatronic Systems Design, düspohl is now making the next step and enabling this production system to set itself up for completely new and unknown products independently. Get an insight and become part of this ambitious project at the AI DataCOMP 2021, hosted by the AI Marketplace and the AI Living Lab. Together, we will take production to the next level.